My life before C60, I was on this pathway for optimization, and I was just trying to figure out like what different things to be able to do, and basically just trying to get better. There was always like these like quick little fixes, and I do say that C60 kind of gives you a little bit of that quick fix, but it also is there for like longevity. From there, I would tell you that I've done a lot of my own work and research, like with this product, and I can tell you that it's not just made a difference in my own life, it's made a significant difference in my friends, family, my clients, my patients, just anybody that's basically kind of gone down this road. It's definitely been a life changer. So what motivated me to try C60, like hitting things at the mitochondrial level, and then being able to perpetuate change, kind of like from within. We're always like looking and striving and struggling in life now to try to find balance in all the things that we do. And I think even just the different people in my life that I put on it all the way from young children to elderly up into the 80s and 90s. It's been a game changer. The amount of C60 Purple Power that I take on an average given day is usually about 7.5 cc's or 7.5 mil. And basically I'm getting that approximately from about 5 cc's of either the olive, the avocado, or the coconut, which is the ones that I'm utilizing at this point, depending on what I'm trying to accomplish for that day. And then I'll also, I love the gummies. What surprised me about C60 Purple Power the most, I would say, is truly what it actually does to, I guess, all different like blood profiles. There's a lot of things that you can take, and they say it's going to do this or do that, but there's usually not a lot of objective backing. So since taking C60, I would say my life has changed in the way that I feel I have a lot more endurance. It also kind of gives me perspective on long term, and I would say that hormonal balance and things like that. I think it's improved cognitive function. I feel that I'm not having those crashes that I used to. I have deeper sleep. The main reason I would recommend C60 Purple Power to a friend, a relative, or a client or patient is just for just a longevity in life, and being able to have not just longevity, but I think part of even the term longevity means like good quality of life. For me, I think it's just about bringing balance in life and kind of true energy into whatever you're going to be doing. Zeeshan, Cincinnati, Ohio.